right now in food nutrition, we're making a traditional Indigenous meal, a bison steak, and a acorn squash and cabbage salad. This project is in partnership with the Ontario Youth Apprenticeship Program and Indigenous Education. During the 3 parts of this project, we've had the opportunity to work with the Indigenous community partners and explore skilled trades and their pathways. I chose to take food nutrition because I think learning how to cook would be a very valuable life skill for the future, and especially when I'm in college. There was a lot of hurdles I had to overcome, like what heat I had to put the steaks on and how to use the thermometer. My favorite part so far is, I'd say, been learning about native cultures. I think it's really cool to learn about different cultures and their traditional ways. So I think that's just really nice to know. Learning on the land has really opened me up to learning about new cultures that I never thought I'd really get into. Going to Durham College and learning about the OYAP program has really opened me up to taking chances with cooking and whatnot. And making this meal has been just teaching me how to cook a nice steak. In grade 9, I took a Exploring Technologies course, which really opened me up to trades like carpentry and welding and auto mechanics, and this course is doing the same. I think it's really important just to explore when you're picking courses and try new things just so you can see, because I never thought that I'd be this interested in food nutrition, but now that I'm in the class, it's been so much fun.